Ready for some YouTube content? Ready for some YouTube content?
Hell yeah.
Time to go make friends. Time to go make lots of friends. Yes. Yay, happy fun. Yeah. Money boys, let's do this!
What seems to be the issue, John?
We need to find wood.
Go, John! Go! This is a great sequel. This is Dork John 2. Wood. You got wood. You got wood. I see the lights coming. Run, John, run! Run, John!
Hey, don't be away.
Someone brought it in a special bag.
I'm taking the gun back today.
Guns get lost.
I think your gun has an erection problem.
So I made this one up before starting into Airsoft, and I'm like looking up YouTube videos on how to make them.
Now it's on. Put a mag in it, man. Don't backfire that much.
Oh fuck! I thought I put one in it. I'm not gonna lie. Whoops. Hey.
Funny moments and fails montage starting now.
That's why it was so loud. I was like, dude, what?
No mags in your guns in the safe zone.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah,
Jacob!
over there.
Jacob!
Think about what you've done. Go over there, hold the trigger twice, come back. Put it on safe.
Take the walk of shame.
Hey, I didn't say that at 30 days.
That's the half trigger pull?
Yeah, the half trigger pull. You should be able to manage it. You have to, with the AUG, on the bowl, use the half trigger squeeze and you'll feel two play.
It's a tactical chicken, man.
Man, always. I got a tactical turkey, homie.
Now you go.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello, guys. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
All 40 of my subscribers.
40?
Yeah, I got 40.
That's it.
That's it, man.
That's it.
I don't.
These are more subscribers. Come on.
I don't promote because I don't have anything to post right now. Yeah,
I got more than you. What the fuck is
man.
Because you just see us go.
Airsoft YouTube
Yeah,
video.
you just see us go.
Hey guys, it's back with another tutorial.
Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. Like, comment, and surprise.
I throw all
Ow! Fudge you!
Hey, I thought you had steel-toed boots on.
Those aren't steel-toed. You fucker.
Hey, I thought you had steel-toed boots on.
You alright? Yeah, I'm good. Funny moments and fails. Love them. Jacob.
Huh?
We have boiler room right here.
Can I buy these things off of them?
Let's move it. No retreat. No retreat.
I guess we'll let the Russians take the lead. That's where we'll let the Russians go first.
Hey here. Good man.
Okay. We're gonna go up. We're gonna try to get in the white building. Okay. Alright. We will probably both die.
Makes for good videos, right?
Oh,
Or not.
or not. Well, shite. That didn't work.
We will probably both
Die. Game over. Well, never mind. No dying today. Now, hang on now. Now, hold on. We can all be friends. No, you no shoot me. No. I have not been brainwashed. I tried to negotiate. No, I was trying to give them spaghetti. No. No. Ah! Oh, you got justice did, my friend. There's no Italian! Hey! No! No! How hard is that? I don't want to knock it off.
It's on there.
Okay, good. Oh, it bends!
Fuck, there's two of them.
Yes! Oh! Oh! Hey! Fuck!
It again.
You are the detective.
Oh no.
What's going on, YouTube? It's me.
Guy in the octagon.
Fucking, I don't know. Guys, you're pretty surrounded. It's all good. Got about half a mag. Let's do this.
You get the ESPN camera now.
What?
I'm watching you now. I'm following you wherever you go.
All right. Watch me die.
Yep.
Holy shit! Bombing raid! Garmin bomber!
You said that?
John,
What?
tactical text. Tactical text.
Tactical
text.
I'm sorry. It's not about.
Tactical text. Cover him. He's texting his girlfriend. Cover him.
Sit out.
Cover him. He's texting the girlfriend.
Sit up.
Cover him.
No, tactical. No, I have to give opinions on palm dresses. It's terrible. I can't even play Airsoft.
Insert outro music here. Phenomena. Do 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 do. Phenomena. Do 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 do. Vegeta. Go Snapper! With something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Go Snapper! Nerd.